Welcome everyone. In this presentation, we will cover a voltage level converter low to high. Means if we are giving a low voltage, to any device or some system, okay, so then it will give a high voltage. For example, I am giving you the simplest thing. If we are giving a VDD low, so we will get the high value. Okay, for example, suppose we are giving a 3 volt here and we need 5 volt, so we have to make some circuit or some, say, the black box that will give for the 3 volt, we will get the 5 volt. So this can be achieved by using some MOSFET based circuitry, and this one is termed as low to high voltage converter. So now we have to think about why low to high, or in general we can say high to low converter or low to high level shifter. So why level shifter? So basically in multiple VDD circuit, in multiple VDD circuits, we have to transform some voltage domain, or we can say the levels, to high or low value depending upon the need. Okay, so this one is the example for a low to high voltage converter. For example, say there is a one inverter, okay, and there is one more inverter is there. So there are two inverters, say 1 and 2, and we are giving some input, say VDD L here, and here say VDD I, okay, and this one is grounded. Okay, so in such cases there may be a possibility that when we are giving a 0 input, output will be VDD L, and for the next one, this VDD L output should be again 0. This one is a general method. Means when this one is 0, first high output, then high input, so low. But this VDD L is accurate for all other operation? No. Why no? Because there may be some situation where this VDD L may lie in between VTN and VDD minus VTP, or this one is our VDDH. So when this voltage is lie, or we can say that this one is the change where this voltage lie in between VDD minus VDDH minus VTP, then this will cause the short circuit power dissipation in the second inverter case. Okay, so I am just making this inverter based diagram for more clear understanding. So when this input VDD L for a high value of supply for this inverter circuit, so if this inverter input lie between this VDD L value for VTN to VDD minus VTP, there is a short circuit power dissipation. In the circuit. Short circuit power dissipation. I already discussed the short circuit power dissipation. You can check my earlier video for short circuit power dissipation. I will share my link for this purpose. So next, so this one is the case. Okay, so basically, so for to avoid this type of uh, means voltage difference, we need a level converter, say LC. So this level converter is nothing but simply our this black box that have a ability to convert VDD-L to VDD high. So how we can achieve this VDD-L to VDD high using MOS based circuitry, so that I will discuss. So for this one I am making a simple MOS based structure. So it is very simple. So first I have to make the structure for this one. So I am making two PMOS first. Okay, then I will tell you why we are doing like that. And these two is connected to say VDD high. Okay, so initially we have taken 5 volt for this one, so write in bracket 5 volt, and we are using two more inverters. Okay, and we are giving input at this one and one to the this, and put it to the ground in, and this one, say this one is our NMOS. Okay, so arrow symbol like that, and this one is our PMOS, and this transistor are cross coupled. Why this one is cross coupled I will tell you within a minute, after a minute. Okay, say this one is M2 and this one say M3 and M4. So this one is one, and this say inverter 1, inverter 2, and make one more inverter for the level shifter. Okay, and this one is also connected to VDD-H and make it to the ground. Okay, so this one is a very famous, we can say, voltage level for low to high. So for this operation we have to use the very simple concept of inverter working. So we are doing for the low to high, so we are giving two low input, that is our VDD-L, because this VDD-L value is less than VDD-H, and we are just making VDD-L to VDD-H converter. So this one is a level converter. Our aim is to make this level converter. Okay, so this one is our LC. Okay, so what we are doing, these two are nothing but simply our CMOS inverter. This one is our CMOS inverter, one CMOS inverter, other CMOS inverter, and we are giving a low value, that is our 3 volt. Okay, for the timing. Okay, now what we are doing, when we are giving the zero input, that output should be VDD-L, and this output will be again 0. So when we are giving the input 0 volt, okay, say 0 volt. So when 0 volt, for here I am writing input across the inverter 1. Okay, input we are giving 0 volt. So when 0 volt, so the output of inverter 1 is VDD-L, that will couch M1 on and M2 become off. Okay, because this one is connected to the other inverter, so M2 will become off. This one is basic NMOS operation, and when the M1 is on, when the M1 is on, the VD1 voltage across the drain, or we can say the voltage across the gate of the 4 transistor equals to 0. Is it okay? That's what I am doing. This M2 becomes off when we are giving the inverter 1 input to 0. Okay, that will cause VD1 VG4 0. So this point we can say is nothing but simply our 0 volt. So M4 become turn on, M4 become turn on. Okay, when this value becomes 0 volt, and when this one is on, then this one channel formation will be occur, and the voltage across this point will be 5 volt, and the output is simply 0 volt. So it is clear that when we are giving the 0 volt input, we are getting the 0 volt output, but this is not our actual aim. We are making for the low to high voltage converter. So next case, when we are giving a, what we can say, VDDL input edge, when we are giving the input VDDL across the inverter 1 input. Okay, inverter 1 input VDDL. So when this VDDL, so here the output will be 0 and it should be VDDL. So in this case, the M2 is become on and M1 become off. So when M2 is on, so VD2, or we can say VG3 is somehow 0 volt, and when this one is 0 volt, so it becomes 0 volt in the next time. So now it is connected to an inverter circuit, so it will give the 5 volt, because it is connected to the, so it will give the 5 volt. So again I am repeating the same thing. When we are giving the 0 volt, VDDL, output will be 0 here. Okay, so that will cause M1 to off, M1 to off. Okay, then M2 become on, and when M2 is on, this will become 0 volt, and after this inverter the output will become 5 volt. Okay, similarly when we are giving the 0 volt VDDL, M1 on, so this one will become 0 volt, so this M4 will be channel formation, so this voltage will be 5 volt and this will be 0 volt. For the 0 it should be 0. So for the low value of VDDL, we are giving the VDD high. So this one is the simple low to high voltage converter. And if suppose we have to interface two different voltage level, so that two voltage level circuit have this much number of transistors, for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 number of transistors, 10 number of transistors. So if we have to make this one a level converter between two CMOS inverter, so this one say LC, so this whole LC will be this structure. Okay, so this one is our low to high converter. Okay, so this one is a simple example for low to high converter. Okay, so thank you for watching, and you just follow the simple MOSFET operation for this circuit. Okay, so it is very simple one, but you have to know the simple basic of MOSFET. If you are not aware of very simple MOSFET operation, it will be slightly difficult. So you can also go to my video lecture for the MOSFET operation. So thank you for watching.